Welcome to Queen's Alchemy. Today we're making a mouth-watering vegan vegetable tortellini pasta. You won't believe how easy it is to make this rich and flavorful dish. It is a perfect combination of comfort and nutrition. And the best part? This recipe is super simple, wholesome, and perfect for any occasion. Stay tuned because we're about to create a masterpiece in the kitchen. Let's get right into it. We're going to bring to a boil in a large pot 4 cups of water and some vegetable broth. We'll also be adding a drizzle of olive oil and some Himalayan sea salt. We're going to get that to start boiling. And we're going to set that to the side to boil. In a separate pan, we're going to be adding in the olive oil to start with the red onions and let them saute for about a minute. As they start to soften, we're going to add in the seasoned asparagus. Give it a quick toss. Let it absorb those flavors. Now, we're going to be adding in the red and yellow peppers. These are not only colorful, but they bring a natural sweetness and balance to the dish. To help everything cook down, we're splashing in a little bit of water, letting it simmer, and now it's time to add the spices. We're going to add the turmeric, thyme, and oregano, and these seasonings are going to infuse our veggies with a deep and aromatic flavor. And then you're going to stir everything together and let it saute for another minute or 2. Now that the boiling water has started, we can add the tortellinis into the pot. And once we have them in the pot, we'll let this cook down for about 8 to 10 minutes. Once it's cooked down, we're going to check for tenderness, and then we'll drain the pasta and add in the sauce. This is the mixture of all the sauces together, the kale and pesto, the basil and tomato, along with the pistachio pesto. Now that we have all of the tortellini fully coated, we're going to add in the zucchini and the squash. We're also going to add in seasonings like the thyme, the oregano, the turmeric, and the onion powder and garlic powder. Once we have all the seasonings in the pot, we're going to toss it around, making sure everything is coated and also that the zucchini and the squash is soaking up all of that flavor. Yes. Looking good. And just to give it a little bit more sauce, I added a little bit. You can do it to your taste and your liking, but I like mine to be saucy. Now we're going to add in those seasoned mushrooms. And the mushrooms are just seasoned with the same seasonings that we just used. Also, we're going to go ahead and put a lid on it. We let it cook for about 3 minutes, and then we're going to add in the broccoli. This is leftovers from the fridge. You can always use your leftover veggies from your fridge to kind of not have waste. Now we're going to add in our sauteed mixture. Stir it in. And there we're starting to look really good. That's starting to look really good and hearty. Time to add the spinach. Once you add the spinach, just toss it around. You can use the spinach to your liking. I really like spinach. And now we're going to add in the stewed tomatoes, and the same for that. You can use it and add as to your taste. Delicious. That's looking great. Look at there. Vegan vegetable tortellini. Now we're going to plate it Looks good. Now as a bonus, we're going to go ahead and make some vegan Parmesan, and we're going to be using cashews. As you're going to see, we're adding into the chopper. We're going to add the nutritional yeast, and we're going to also add some garlic powder. Once we chop it up, you'll see how it turns out fine, and we go ahead and spread it on top just like Parmesan cheese. A vegan vegetable tortellini. Let's try it. Now this right here, baby, this is delicious. This is so good. I can't even make this up. This tastes so good. If you like this video and you would like to see more like it, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next video. Thank you for watching. Peace and love.